Two watches. In one row, Swami took and gave it to two ladies. Navaratna ring, this ring, white ring, green ring, different rings. Swami, I'm going there as a Consul General. Please give me a ring. Next thing is we shouldn't go for that fellow is giving rings, this man is giving rings, this fellow is giving watches. If we fall into the trap, we are gone. You see, I'll tell you my own example. Once in an interview, Swami took out two watches. In one row, Swami took and gave it to two ladies. One with the Shirdi Baba picture, another with Satya Sai Baba picture. He gave it to those two ladies. And the third lady said, Swami, I also want one. I also? Please give me one watch. I also want to watch. Your words are good. Your actions are good. Your thoughts are good. Your actions are good. Your character is good. Why do you want to watch? We always have this permanent watch with us. Never, never, never aspire for these materializations. Once I wanted Vibhuti from Swami's hands. I thought, everybody in those Sevadal time, I thought everybody is getting like Savant sir and all. In the moment, we are all very, very fortunate. Whenever Baba sees Maharashtra group, the moment he sees in the Vanara, they just call them, give them. Because they all go with the projects. They go with a purpose, how to serve the man better. They go, immediately Swami calls them. And then this monkey mind, being a Sevadal, I thought, why Swami is not giving so many, 14 years, 13 years, I'm with Swami. He doesn't even give one small Vibhuti. I said, this time Swami, I have to get Vibhuti from your lotus hands. Then I went there. I was traveling from Hyderabad. I came to Prasanthi Nilayam. I was unable to urinate next day. My bladder became big. And then Dr. Hemchandra was there. He said that, Romel, you have to rush immediately to Bangalore, get yourself operated. Then I was sitting in the darshan line praying, Swami, please help me. There's a serious medical problem with me. And then Swami came and materialized Vibhuti and gave it to me. Chala Vibhuti, is it enough? The moment Swami gave Vibhuti, I was able to relieve my bladder. Therefore, do not ask for these Vibhutis, rings, etc. Once, before going as the Consul General of India to Indonesia, I thought every VIP, every person has got all this, getting Navaratna ring, this ring, white ring, green ring, different rings. Swami, I'm going there as a Consul General. Please give me a ring. With the monkey mind, I went to Kodaikanal. Swami knows our mind. He was so kind. He called us for the lunch that time with the family. And he saw an ordinary 150 rupees ring on my hand. Swami asked, how much is it? I said, 150 rupees. You think Swami is so cheap? He said, give the ring here. And he transformed into a Navaratna ring, 9-gem ring. I was in the cloud number 9. Oh, I got, I skipped the ring. And from Kodai to Chennai, I went there by car. Chennai, my PA calls me, sir, you are in very big trouble. We have given passport to somebody who is a criminal. A lot of inquiry is going to take place. Then I knew that ring Swami gave me with a purpose. It was there with me for 8 long years, till CBI, RAW, IB, all put inquiries on me. And after 8 years, once I was cleared, Romel is an honest officer. Believe it or not, I got the message 1 day later. On the previous day, the ring broke into 2 pieces. 2 pieces, it broke. From that time, I say, Swami, I don't want any more rings. I don't want any more watches. I don't want any more Vibhuti. We want only you, Swami. We want only you. In this way, we got to surrender our life, our actions to Swami and go a step closer to Swami as much as we can in this life itself. We got to identify ourselves with beloved Swami.